And finally, we have the sixth and final piece of the Bloom's Taxonomy Framework of create. In this lesson, we will look at the AI tools in MagicSchool of Choice Board, also known as UDL, Image Generator, and the Assignment Scaffold. When we challenge students to get to the level of create, we're asking students to use their knowledge and skills to design or invent something new. They combine ideas in original ways to produce innovative solutions, products, or works. Tool we're going to take a look at is the choice board, also known as UDL. When they go to the search feature and type in choice board, the tool pops up. Click on it. University level. I'm going to place just a general overall standard in here, again from my home state, on preparing, placing, and finishing concrete. You can offer specifics to the modalities or just let it create them, as I did. And now you'll see a list of different ways students could approach addressing this standard. By providing students with a choice and a voice in their assignments, they are often more compelled to combine ideas in original ways to produce original products and works. The second tool is the image generator. Going to go ahead and type this in the search bar and locate the tool. The image generator in MagicSchool is tied to Adobe Express. So when I click on generate image, you can see Adobe Express is starting. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And this time I'm going to sign in as a guest. The first image that I generated, I put into the prompt a construction technologies prompt about a classroom. Now, you might use the image generator to put into your presentations or to spark some creativity with students. Of course, I'm not a subject matter expert, so I just downloaded some simple graphics from each program to just simply show you how the tool functions. When you put graphics and images to projects, you spark innovation and brainstorming and creativity. This is an automotive technologies lab. First, I had it in art form, then I changed it into photo form to have it more realistic. So, depending upon what you're trying to portray, is what type of style you would use. You can see I click on the download button, it goes into my downloads area so that I can download these for later. Again, Welding Technologies, just a simple graphic of an arc weld taking place. Sparks flying. Everybody gets excited about a hands-on project when sparks are flying in welding. Again, I have these all available for download below the video. I will make one more recommendation about Adobe Express. As a community college instructor, you are entitled to a free Adobe Express account, and I will have details below. And finally, we're going to look at the assignment scaffold. We'll find it the similar way through the search tool. The scaffolding provides supports for students that have learning challenges to gain skills and confidence. We want to get all students to the level of create. In this example, we're going to look at university, how to check the oil level properly. It's not as if you couldn't break down this assignment and objective for them, but it does it for you very quickly and easily for you just to edit it instead. In this process of breaking larger complex tasks into smaller manageable steps will help all students build toward the level of mastery in your program. Ultimately, the goal is to make learning more accessible and reduce cognitive overload to support students to achieve. And there's no better way to end the lesson on Bloom-AI Framework than on how to properly change your oil. A few lessons remain, but this ends the lesson on Create. Thank you.